So all the devotees now all over the world, you are very welcome to us and the Senior. And of course, that's our bishop also. But I hope na kung sa mga palisiya na implement na ginagawa ang sundod. In the same way kami sa Basilica, kung sa mga naisutan, masunod sa amin. Okay. Then, of course, let us continue offering our prayers to the Holy Child, especially prayer for peace, prayer for all the families, prayer for our country, and for the whole world. And of course, kanang magpanapusan ng lahat, no? Kinimaong Fiesta Senior 2020. And in fact, sa community sa Basilica, we are very grateful sa tanan ni Bulig ni Tawag since 2016 during our administration because this is our last synod. So we transferred next year and another admin will start next year also. So, daghang salamat